Welcome to the Ultimate Fruit Unscramble challenge. Let's see how many fruits you can guess correctly. Get ready and let's start the quiz. First one, can you solve this? The answer is apple. Did you get it? Look at the screen. What fruit is this? It's a banana. Well done. Next up, unscramble this one. That was orange. Great start. Can you guess this summer favorite? It's a mango. You are good at this. Quick, what's the answer? The answer is grapes. Nice job. Next, can you solve it? It's a pear. Did you spot that? Focus on the letters. What is it? The correct answer is kiwi. Well done. Here's a sour one. Guess it. That was lime. Did you get it right? Can you unscramble this? It's a lemon. Easy one, right? Look closely. What's the fruit? The answer is plum. Excellent. Next one. Do you know it? It's a cherry. Unscramble this before time's up. That's a peach. Well played. This one is blue. Can you guess? It's blueberry. Did you get that one? Moving on, what could this be? The answer is papaya. Great job. Quick, guess the fruit. It's a melon. You are doing great. Can you handle this one? It's an apricot. Well done. Next challenge. Look at the letters. The answer is coconut. Did you get it? What fruit is hidden here? That was guava. Nice work. Unscramble this sweet fruit. It's a lychee. You are very fast. A bit longer now. Can you guess it? It's dragon fruit. Impressive. This one is short. Don't let it trick you. The answer is fig. Did you catch it? Next, what's the name of this fruit? It's an avocado. Well done. Look at the screen. What is it? It's a strawberry. You are a pro. Solve this one quickly. The answer is pineapple. Did you get it? Can you guess this giant fruit? It's a watermelon. Great job. 4 letters. Can you get it? The answer is date. That was quick. This one is tough. Look closely. It's a pomegranate. Amazing work. What fruit is this? That was raspberry. Well done. Can you unscramble this? It's the jackfruit. Did you get it right? Next, give it a try. The answer is pomelo. Nice one. Focus. What could this be? It's a loquat. Very impressive. Keep going. Guess the fruit. It's a blackberry. Well done. Unscramble this one. It's a sapota. Did you know that one? Getting harder. What's this? It's a nectarine. Great catch. It's a dried fruit. What is it? The answer is resin. Did you get it right? You have completed the challenge. Tell us your score in the comments below. More fun and tricky questions are coming soon. Subscribe now for more brain boosting quiz challenges.